More than 40 years ago, when Western governments perceived a threat of biological attack, scientists at Portendown's Microbial Research Establishment were tasked to discover whether bacteria and viruses could survive in nighttime air. To do that, they harnessed spiders to build webs on which they suspended bacteria to measure the effects at night. And the results were that at night bacteria, viruses and fungi were killed even more effectively than during the day. Today, that science is able to defend us against not only the same threats that existed 40 years ago, but against the new threats of resistant strains, of mutating viruses, and resurgent threats like tuberculosis. Inov8 is a key resource in the endless battle for the environment, in the fight against infections, and in the efforts to reduce vehicle emissions, in the development of renewable crops. If engineering is a combination of art and science, Inov8 takes that marriage to extraordinary heights. And it's that exceptional science and outstanding engineering that has made atmospheric disinfection possible with the development of the AD. The science embodied in the AD provides all of nature's natural protection inside enclosed spaces, in the very place where risk is highest and where the natural open-air protection does not, cannot exist. Experiments and tests over scores of years have proved the efficiency of the principle. Detailed independent tests at Portendown have proven the efficiency of the AD, with 99.999% of pathogens killed in less than 1 hour. And at Leeds University, one of only a handful of centres worldwide equipped to investigate pathogens moving through the air, tests prove the AD, even against C. diff, MRSA and TB, is effective, fast, and above all safe, continuously reducing even high concentrations of pathogens to almost unobservable levels. The AD is a unique engineering solution. Within a case made of extruded aerospace-grade aluminium is the core of the machine. Running on 12 volts, supplied from a plug-in charger much the same as the familiar phone charger, the AD meets or exceeds all safety standards. It meets all of the standards for electromagnetic emissions, so that it will operate safely next door to the most sensitive electronic equipment. It runs quietly, unobtrusively, continuously. The AD uses a replaceable cartridge containing natural olefins supplied to Inov8's careful formulation by one of the world's leading scent and fragrance companies. The cartridge lasts for a full month. You're warned that replacement is soon required by a discreet buzzer. But if the specific olefin that catalyzes a reaction is exhausted, the machine senses this and shuts down automatically until a fresh cartridge is inserted. The cartridge automatically separates the necessary olefin ingredient. Above all, the careful, painstaking design of the cartridge, combined with the shape of the bowl and the shield, ensures that no ozone escapes from the machine during operation, unlike ionizers and similar devices. But the key to the machine is a hydroxyl radical. Essential to life, the hydroxyl radical destroys pathogens in the air and in your body. Emitted from the AD, the hydroxyl radical functions as a chain reaction. It encounters molecules in the surface of a bacteria or a virus. In doing so, more hydroxyl radicals are released, cleansing the entire space. The AD reproduces the same disinfection process that occurs continually, naturally, all of the time in open air. But sadly, these benefits of the open air do not exist in enclosed spaces. So, in the very places where the risk of infection is highest, we have no natural protection, except through the AD. Providing the same natural safeguards that exist in fresh air to any enclosed space. Inov8, our world is a world in miniature dealing with major problems. It's a world at the forefront of dealing with disease and of attacking emissions, of keeping the very air you breathe safe, wherever you may be.